Welcome to Finance Gyan Plus YouTube channel. Today I have brought a problem related with working capital management. Now let's see the problem here. This is a problem related with working capital management. So here different informations are given here. So let's see the information given here. So here Button Incorporation has annual sales of rupees 13,75,000 all credit with an inventory turnover ratio of 8 times and receivable turnover ratio of 12 times. The firm has a payable deferral period of 15 days, assume 360 days in a year. So these are the information given here, and you have to find here, calculate inventory conversion period and receivable collection period of the firm. What is its operating cycle? What is its cash conversion cycle? And if the firm has rupees 2,500 in manufacturing cost per day, including material and labor, what amount of working capital must it hold? So these are the questions which you have to find from the given information. So now let's solve this problem. So here now solution. So let's first write the given here. Given annual credit sales. Annual credit sales. This is rupees 13,75,000, which is all credit here. Inventory turnover ratio. Inventory turnover ratio. It's here given here. 8 times. Then receivable turnover ratio 12 times. Receivable turnover ratio this is your 12 times, and payable deferral period is 15 days. Payable deferral period 15 days. And one more information is given here. Assume 360 days in a year. Days in a year. Days in a year, that is 360 days. So these are the informations. By using this information, you have to find the inventory conversion period, receivable collection period, likewise operating cycle, cash conversion cycle, and there is another condition given from which you have to find the working capital required. Okay, so now here, according to the question, you have to find each and every items. So here you can also write here inventory conversion cycle ICP equal to what, receivable collection period RCP equal to what. You can also write here, but it is limited space, so I am doing it directly. So for A, calculation of inventory conversion period, you can assume here ICP and receivable collection, or you can also say conversion RCP. Okay, so now to find inventory conversion period, ICP equal to days in a year divided by inventory turnover ratio. So when you divide days in a year by inventory turnover ratio, then you will get inventory conversion period. So your days in a year 360 days divided by inventory conversion 8 times, that is your 45 days. Likewise, now you have to find the receivable conversion period RCP, receivable collection period. So days in a year divided by receivable turnover ratio, that will be your 360 divided by 12 times, so that is your 30 days. So you have got the answer for the first one, inventory conversion period and receivable collection period. So now you have to find operating cycle. So be here, calculation of operating cycle, OC. So for finding the operating cycle, OC equal to inventory conversion period plus receivable conversion period. Inventory conversion period plus receivable conversion period, or you can say receivable collection period, same thing. So inventory conversion period is 45 days plus receivable conversion period 30 days, that is 75 days is your operating cycle. Now after finding the operating cycle, you have to find the cash conversion cycle. So here see, calculation of cash conversion cycle. You assume it as CCC. So here now you can write CCC equal to, for finding the cash conversion cycle, you have to deduct payable deferral period from operating cycle, or you can also write ICP plus RCP minus PDP. Okay, same thing. So here OC minus PDP, or you can also write ICP plus RCP minus PDP. PDP means payable deferral period. Here it's 15 days here. So OC is your 75 days minus payable deferral period 15 days. So that will be your 60 days. 60 days is your cash conversion cycle. Now after finding the cash conversion cycle, there is a condition given in your question here, D. If the firm has rupees 2,500 in manufacturing cost per day, including material and labor cost, what amount of working capital must it hold? What amount of working capital must it hold? So now you see how to solve this. So here to solve this, first according to the question here, so here information is given. So you can first write, you have to write here calculation of working capital required if, what is given here, 2,500 in manufacturing cost per day. If manufacturing cost, you can also say this one as a cost of goods sold. Okay, manufacturing cost per day means cost of goods sold per day. So you can write here manufacturing cost per day is rupees 2,500. So you can write here cost of goods sold per day, that is manufacturing cost per day, that is COGS, that is your rupees 2,500. Now you have to find the working capital required. So here working capital required, WC equal to cash conversion cycle into cost of goods sold per day. Okay, cost of goods sold per day, COGS. Okay, COGS per day, that is. Okay, so now here cash conversion cycle is your 60 days into cost of goods sold per day is given in the question 2,500. So here it will be here rupees 1,50,000. So this is the working capital required for the Butool Incorporation company. If the manufacturing cost per unit per day, manufacturing cost per day is rupees 2500. Okay, so if you like my videos, please like, share and subscribe.